From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The derivative of this function requires us to use the product rule. Product rule tells us that if we have y that is a function of x and their product u and v, both u and v are functions of x and y, then the y, the x, will be using product rule v du plus u dv, meaning keep v, differentiate u, and then keep u, differentiate v. So if our u is x squared, then our du is 2x. And if our v is natural log of x squared plus 1, then our dv will be differentiate the inner function, which is 2x, and then differentiate the outer function, which is 1 over x squared plus 1. Therefore, the y, the x, will give us our v is natural log of x squared plus 1, and our du is 2x, plus our u is x squared, and our dv is 2x over x squared plus 1. Combining these together, we finally have the y, the x, as 2x natural log of x squared plus 1 plus 2x cubed over x squared plus 1. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.